these are people that are not going to die in battles in Iraq and Syria. Many of these people will go back to their countries of origin, becoming potential leaders or, terrorist operatives, which could really become bigger threats to their own countries. So there is a choice, It's inevitable that everyone in this globe, let's say, has to face terrorism. But they have a choice. They either come and face them here, or they wait for them to go back to their own countries and face terrorism in their doorsteps. ISIS now has a lot of modern military equipment in their possession. And to fight against them, I think the Peshmergas have to be much more equipped than they are. And for that, I think the U.S. and the international community as a whole should feel responsible, and they have a moral responsibility to come to the assistance of those people that are putting their lives on line to protect civilians. We have had talks with the U.S., we've had talks with some of the European countries, but no practical steps has been taken to provide assistance to the KRG, especially on the military front. We have, like I said, more than 500,000 IDPs in Kurdistan. It makes the job of our security forces much more difficult to keep an eye and try to monitor the situation. I hope we will be able to maintain the security inside Kurdistan, although there is not 100% security anywhere in the world. We are trying our best to make sure that there are no sleeping cells active